I think I'm in frame. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's cold. I don't know why I'm wearing this top, but yeah. But welcome to the channel. I'm trying to get used to this new setup / the new intro, and yeah. So in today's video, I did talk about these two palettes. I had the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality Palette. So I did talk about this yesterday. They're exactly a dupe. If you did not see that video, go check that out before you watch this one. I'm just putting this clip in real quick because it's going to be my thumbnail. Okay, since I did that, we're going to do a tutorial on this palette today. Before we get into the tutorial, I'm going to swatch these and show you how they look on my arm. And then we're going to hop in. You ready? Let's hop right in. And also, before we get started, we're going to be testing out a new product. I think this is the Coty Airspun. Yes, it's Coty Airspun. I was looking for a better face powder because the one I have is from NYX. And it does a good job. It's just, I need something more controllable. And I think this might do. So we're going to test this baby out too. It's sealed, so we're good. But we're going to test this baby out too. But let's hop right into the swatches. And we're going to be wearing a different look today. And I never do, so let's hop in. So first row. So this is that first row. Add the light on us, so we're good. Look how pigmented these are. They are so pigmented, and I'm getting them all ready. So that's why I'm add my wipes here. Good to go. But, oh my god. I still have that still on my finger after I swatched. Time's it. It's 1:36. Okay. I don't know what time it was for a minute. Because I did not have time to do this clip yesterday. So that's why we're doing that clip now before we get into the tutorial. But these are the three we just swatched. I'm sad. This palette only has two shimmers. The one here and then there. And the rest is all matte. I'm not sad about it. I kind of wanted more matte and not shimmer. I think that's the same with this one. Hey, what? It's the same as this one. It's just a different layout. I think this color is right at the bottom. But this is funny. There's no blackness at all. So I'm trying to figure out how they threw a black in this palette that we're swatching. So let's continue. I wanted a good black. I know this is middle finger, guys, and I'm sorry. But I don't know why they can't go all straight. And I was trying to do it, but look at this pigmentation. It's that incredible. This is only $7 from Ulta. So we're going to try to do 2 tutorials in this video, maybe. I'm going to show you the one I wore yesterday. And then we'll get into another one. But the love's still going to be the same for both. It's just the eyes are going to flip. So we're going to do one eye that I did yesterday, and then the other eye pop color. Okay, so I don't have that many brushes left because I just cleaned them all, but we're going to start with a not smoky eye on this side, and then we're going to go smoky on this side. Like, there's a little fallback, but it's fine. Tap the excess off. So if you don't want a high-end palette, I would recommend this one. It's that good. It's just, I don't know, I love it. I only have this palette for like a day. Like, I've been playing with this since yesterday, and it's like really that good. And since I'm going smoky on the other eye, we're gonna have like a dark eye. So this is gonna be fun. And do you have the tape? I'm trying to make sure I got the tape on. I'm good. Okay, I'm just gonna go up a little bit because it's up more right there. Okay. So I'm gonna put the same base on for both eyes because I have no idea how we're gonna do this yet. So I told you guys to comment yesterday, but I guess you guys didn't. It's fine. Since we're doing a tutorial today. So one's gonna be my everyday eye, and then one's gonna be my nighttime eye. If that makes any sense. It's funny, I'm still using this brush just to pat on more color on the beigey color all over the lid. Okay. So I don't have that many here because all of them got washed. I don't know if I have any more in my drawer. Oh, do we? Do we have something that I could use? I don't think I have that many, and it's gonna suck. Okay, well, we're gonna try to do something because I don't have that many brushes. Okay, so we're gonna start on that smoky eye, like see more of, so. I don't want to go too dark in the crease, so I'm gonna take this. I'm taking that shade, tap her, get her in that crease. So we're gonna be using the same brushes. It's just gonna be a pain because I don't have all of them because they're all in the bathroom because I just cleaned them. Okay, so we got that crease done. Now we're gonna start the outer edge. I'll bring the camera closer once we're done. So I know you guys can't see. But you could actually if I do this. I like how the color keeps it on this. Okay, I really don't have nothing to clean anything. Okay. I'm just gonna blend her. Okay, because this side's already done. Like, it's that simple. I'm just doing like 3 colors on each eye. We're gonna start baking this eye real quick. Ooh, I like this one way better. Okay, so we got one eye bacon. So we're going to go into this eye. And I'm trying to do both. So this one's going to bake for a bit. Then we're going to go here. So we're going to start. Like, this lasted all day on my eye yesterday. It lasted from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. Like, really? Like, it lasted for like 13 hours. But I took it off at the 8 o'clock hour because I was getting ready to go home from work. Okay. I don't think I blended that well over there, but it's fine. No. Okay, so it's been there for a few minutes. Ooh, I like this one way better. It's just, I'm just going to clean up a little bit because I see shadow right under there. Okay, we did not get that much off, but it's fine. We're going to hop in, we're going to put this on this eye, and we'll finish this bare eye. I'm trying not to blank. I have mascara on. God damn it. Okay, I'm going to go back to this eye. And then, I don't have many brushes to use. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to take this brown. Yeah, I don't have nothing to tap. It's like I normally smoke out the edges with the dark shade. Do a light crease. Like I'm looking at my eyes like, hell yes, I got it perfect. We're just going to use this one again to blend in a minute. Okay. So we're taking the two shimmer shades and we're going to overlay them. Can you tell how much cleaner this one is compared to this eye? Like this one got a little smoky. This one didn't. But it's so good. And then I'm just going to use this one real quick just to get the highlighter in. Okay, we're going to bake this eye. I am like impressed with this. Like, holy crap. Okay. I am liking this powder way better than I thought it would. It's not that messy like I thought it would be either. Well, now it did. It smells not, this one's not bothering me like the other ones I tried. Like the CoverGirl one really bugged me because of the smell. The Maybelline one sucked. I was going to try to get the L'Oreal one last night, and I'm like, nah, why not? Let's just get this one. And I think I like this one way better. It's just, my desk just got dirty. You do it. Okay. Ooh, good toss back there. This tutorial got so short. And we are going to wear the same lab. It's just, hold on. This is what I meant to do. I was supposed to leave the bake there while I applied the mascara, and I did it on my other eye. Okay. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to remove her. I absolutely like this one. Over the moon, you know? Like, it's that good. Okay. So, I think this is not my new one. I'm trying to figure out which one's the new one. Oh, that is the new one. I'm doing a different lip color, so... I normally do nudes, and I'm not. Ooh, see, I'm glad I got the new one, because this was, like, gone. See, this one's getting crabby already, so I'm like, okay. Thank God I got the new one, because this one's getting in there. This is the shade Touch of Space, if you're wondering. It's from Maybelline. And let's set the stamp face. And I would do a gloss, but since I'm so... This one, we'll see. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And don't mind me, guys, my hair is half wet because I just did a shower. Okay. Let's get a look close and I'll show you the eyes. Ooh. Okay, so this is that smoky eye. I absolutely love it. And I wanted to test that out on my cheeks. Crap. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, hold on. Because I'm breaking out, so I'm no, because I read online that if you use that powder, it hides your imperfections, and that's what I'm like, I need it for. Okay. Just ignore the chin. I'm just gonna blend her. Okay, so this is the tutorial. This is smoky eye. It looks so good. I am digging this lip, actually. I just don't wear it that much. And this is the eye I had yesterday. And I absolutely adore that powder. So I think we're going to be using Coty. The Coty Airspun. And hopefully we like it more. And I'll let you know how I like it throughout the week. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial on 2 different eyes, but the same lip, give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.